I'm going to put you guys on my back.
Now the Rockets want to establish that double-digit lead again. The end of the third, and here is Harden hitting a three. What a deep that was.
You have to get up. As soon as you get up, he has to pick the ball up and start it. Why is this important? Because bam, take that in your face. Now there's
Clippers going crazy, wanted to travel right there on Boozer.
Shot clock at 6. Kobe pointing, now setting the screen. Shot clock at 2. Lin has to heave and buries it. Get another look at Lin's shot.
Always better player going to the right, but that is some kind of right in his face. Shot clock running down. That's just a big time shot by Jeremy.
Gives it up to Lin. 3 to shoot. Now Young with 2. Lets it fly. It's got Young for 3. And the Lakers lead with 7.4 remaining. Young's 6th triple of the night.
Wow, that's good defense. Better offense.
Knocked into the backcourt. 5 seconds. Ariza will fire up the 3 and hits over Parsons.
Wow, that was a good shot right there. Ariza dribbled into that one. Parsons down and he just dribbles right into it, gets his rhythm and shoots. Look at how Chandler was all over him, but Ariza.
Has the ball knocked away. Harden's got 1 second left. Gets it off from midcourt. James Harden with a 3 from mid. Let's watch it one more time as Harden cuts loose over Reggie Jackson.
4. Lead up 4. This is a point possession. Raiders for 3. Got another one!
Eric, he had a double pump on that one. He walked a piece of it. And then Dion had to caught the trigger, and he made it.
Including 9 of the 4th.
Harrington talking to Pierce. And Joe DeRosa telling him to shut up. Pierce buries it. Right.
Selman's on Allen. Screen by Pierce. Overhand with the 3 for the tie. Oh, what a dagger thrown in by Ray Allen.
Payton. Bryant out top against Patterson. Kobe. Cannot get Patterson in the air. A wild 3. Hit it. Just when you think the basketball gods can't get any cooler.
No, I've told you before, this is not the guy you want to let shoot the...
Payton to inbound. Bryant for 3. And the Lakers have won the Pacific Division title. The Sacramento.
Beautiful feed. Final seconds of the first. Terry to Harden. Harden at the buzzer. Oh, he knocks it down! James Harden ties the game on a buzzer beater here. Fans in red to make the trip. Plenty of time. Jimmy Butler. 2 on the clock. Butler. It is your hat. Gary backing out. Trying to lose Thompson, does so. Fires. Got it, time.
Backpedaling off the dribble and knocking down a long jump shot deep in the queue.
Mr. Fourth Quarter comes to the rescue again.
And Kyrie Irving, he's a bad man.
5. Pierce for 3. It's good. Paul Pierce from way downtown. And Boston leads by 4.
LeBron James, and then rising up against a contest and right down the middle. Struggling all night long.
Tyson's antler stay right between him and the rim. 35 seconds to go. This for the lead. Buckner for 3. Clutch 3-pointer by Devin Booker. And the Suns by 2. Clock at 6. James looks up at the shot clock. Sets, fires, and hits the 3.
Space.
Just lifts. Clock expires. Man, talk about tough shots.
Harden